Millions of businesses rely on Microsoft Office 365. Users of this productivity suite think their data is safely stored in the cloud, and that Microsoft offers backup and recovery features. This is a dangerous misconception. Microsoft's shared responsibility model specifies that Microsoft is responsible for infrastructure maintenance, while users are responsible for the bulk of data protection. As a result, businesses must clearly understand their share of responsibilities when using Microsoft Office 365, and the threats they face if they fail to protect their data. To learn more, go to www.aufsite.com.